Hi everyone! Are you tired of struggling with overgrown bushes and unruly shrubs in your garden? Well, you're in luck. Today, we're counting down the best bush cutters for home use that will make maintaining your garden a breeze. From lightweight tools for quick trims to heavy-duty options for tougher tasks, we've got something for every gardener. Stay tuned to find the perfect tool to add to your gardening arsenal. Let's jump right in. Let's kick off the list with number 5. We have the WorkPro 151010 Bush Cutter. It is a versatile tool designed for home gardening and light landscaping tasks. Featuring heat-treated steel blades with a Teflon coating, it offers sharp, precise cuts while resisting rust and sap buildup. The ergonomic handles provide a comfortable grip, and the lightweight construction ensures easy handling. While it's perfect for small to medium jobs, it may not be robust enough for heavy-duty or industrial use. Customers had a lot of feedback regarding the product. Let's look at a few of them. After carefully looking at features and customer feedback, we'd rate it 4.3 out of 5 stars. The WorkPro Bush Cutter is a dependable choice for casual gardeners and DIY enthusiasts. Its balance of sharpness, comfort, and durability makes it ideal for maintaining shrubs and bushes efficiently. A practical addition to any home gardening toolkit. Coming in at number 4, we have the YRTSH 3-piece gardening set, which is a professional-grade toolkit designed for trimming, shaping, and maintaining your garden. The set includes precision clippers, a bypass pruner, and a trimming sear, each with sharp, durable blades and ergonomic handles for comfortable use. The lightweight design ensures ease of handling, while the high-quality construction offers reliable performance for small to medium gardening tasks. However, it may not be suited for heavy-duty jobs or cutting thick branches. Let's look at what customers had to say in their feedback regarding the product. After looking at the features and customer feedback, we'd give it a solid rating of 4.5 out of 5 stars. The YRTSH gardening set provides excellent value for gardeners looking for versatility and precision. Whether you're pruning flowers, trimming shrubs, or shaping greenery, this set is a reliable and efficient choice for all-around garden care. Kicking off the top 3 at number 3, we have the Classic Pro Titanium Pruning Shears. They are built for gardeners seeking precision and durability. These shears feature titanium-coated, rust-transparent blades for smooth, effortless cutting and long-lining sharpness. The ergonomic handle design with non-slip grips ensures comfort even during extended use. With a cutting capacity of up to 1 inch, they're ideal for trimming flowers, shrubs, and small branches. However, they may not be suitable for heavy-duty or industrial pruning tasks. Let's see what the customers had to say about the product in their feedback. After carefully considering the features and the customer feedback, we've rated it 4.6 out of 5 stars. The Classic Pro pruning shears are a reliable tool for both hobbyists and professional gardeners. Their combination of precision, comfort, and durability makes them a top pick for detailed pruning and regular garden maintenance. A must-have for a well-kept garden. Now we are down to the last 2. Coming in at number 2, we have the Fiskars 91095993 bypass pruning shears. They are designed for precision cutting and long-term durability. Featuring hardened stainless steel blades, these shears deliver clean, smooth cuts and resist rust over time. The low-friction coating helps blades glide through stems and branches with ease, reducing sticking caused by sap. Ergonomic, non-slip handles provide comfort, but the smaller size limits its use to light pruning tasks and branches up to 5/8 inches in diameter. Customers had a lot of feedback regarding the product. Let's look at some of them. After looking at the features and customer feedback, we'd give it a solid rating of 4.7 out of 5 stars. These Fiskars pruning shears are a reliable choice for light-duty garden maintenance. Their sharp blades, comfortable grip, and durable design make them a great tool for trimming flowers, shrubs, and delicate plants. Perfect for hobby gardeners or small-scale pruner. Topping off the list at number 1, we have the Fiskars Power Gear Super Pruner / Lopper, which is a premium tool built for efficient cutting of branches and shrubs. It features Power Gear technology, which triples cutting power, making it ideal for handling tough branches up to 2 inches thick. The hardened steel blades stay sharp longer and resist rust, while the lightweight design and ergonomic handles reduce strain during extended use. However, it may not be suitable for extremely heavy-duty tasks or professional landscaping. Customers have left their feedback regarding the product. After careful consideration of features and customer feedback, we'd give it a solid rating of 4.7 out of 5 stars. The Fiskars Power Gear Lopper stands out for its powerful cutting ability and user-friendly design. It's perfect for gardeners and homeowners looking for a durable and efficient tool for small to medium-sized pruning jobs. A reliable addition to any toolkit. And that wraps up our list of the best bush cutters for home use. Whether you're a casual gardener or a DIY enthusiast, these tools are designed to make trimming and pruning easier, more efficient, and even enjoyable. Which bush cutter do you think fits your needs best? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on more gardening tips and product reviews. Happy gardening, and see you in the next video.